Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2015 Jeep Compass, stock number 5983. This ran from 2007 to 2016. It has a MK 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the MK 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight. Front bonnet, no dents. Left front guard has slight fold in the front. Left front 18-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Left front mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Left rear tail light. Right rear tail light. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front headlight. Right front mirror. Right front door, 2 dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear stick. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.